Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your Xbox One account so you can easily buy things from the Microsoft Store. So on the home screen, let's go up to Settings and select this. Go down to Account and then go to the right, go to Payment and Billing. Right here and select this. Type in your PIN if you got one, and you'll have two options. You can go to Order History and see everything you've ever purchased on your Xbox account. Then we can go to Payment Options right here. And this is going to show us our credit card. So I have one credit card on here. I can easily go to trash right here and I can delete it from my account. Otherwise I can change the information. But let's go to add a new payment method right here and select this. Now you can choose whether you want a credit or debit card or an e-wallet. So you got PayPal and Venmo as an option right here. Then we have Visa and all the other credit cards. So let's select credit card. And this is going to load, and then type in your name, your card number, expiration date, expiration year, and the CVV code on the back of the credit card. So flip it over. There should be some numbers right here that you have to type in. And then you want to go to next, and you'll have to type in more information about your credit card. So just make sure everything is correct and your address is entered correctly as well. And if you can't, go ahead and get this to load to your account. Make sure your account settings on your Xbox account are matching this information, especially with your address and your region. Then it should be added to your account under here. And then you can delete it in the future, or you can go to it and select it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.